You can earn $1 million a year from faceless YouTube channels. And in this video, I'm going to show you examples of these types of channels with analysis. So watch the video until the end so that you don't get any points from do not miss. The first channel we are going into right here is a very profitable channel. Right now it's called Anoop. Anoop is a faceless YouTube automation channel. This right here is an example of low CPM channel because of the type of content they earn. Advertisers don't really appreciate this type of content. It's celebrity drama, but somewhere they make up for the lack of revenue and also the increase in viewership. So if you see some of their most popular videos that get 4 million views, did you know that each of their video constituently gets 4 million views? This make up for the lack of earnings per thousand views of where you can take a viral trending topic and start getting millions of views. It's harder to do now, but it's something that's very possible, as you can see here, based on 25 cents, estimated up to 4 CPM dollar per thousand views. So we can guess that they make somewhere in the middle, somewhere in between around $12,000 a month inactive from this faceless automation YouTube channel that still make 6-figure every year and actually has multiple channels. So if each of their channels earn 10 to 15,000 per month, they probably make close to $50,000 to $80,000 a month between all channels. But maybe low CPM is suitable for beginners, but I am going to show you some channel with high CPM in this video. Before continuing with the video, be sure to subscribe us and press the bell button to stay informed about our tutorials. Now we go to the next channel, which is called What's on the Star. This channel especially talks about luxury goods and luxury items, so people watching this have a consumer mindset and they want to see what is this actor or music artist wearing and what kind of clothes they buy to feel and look like these celebrities. So simple videos like this one here showing a 2000 cargo jacket, like all these different types like designer brands like Gucci. So what's really interesting is that this channel is at a high CPM level. So let's see how much they're making on Social Blade, earning about $542 a month is actually pretty rank. Again, the default CPM estimated range for this video is 25 cents to $4 in this particular niche. So we can safely multiply that number by 5 and it's closer to something that they earn. So they make about $3,000 and $4,000 a month. Considering these are all faceless video, nobody has to record anything. They just take clips and images from the internet and put them together and they voice, and it's very, very interesting. Now we go to the next channel called Brazu. Here are some celebrity drama type videos, but they focus on one particular character, which is Andrew Tate. Now if we go to Anaop channel, you can see that a lot of the video talking about it or TikTok star Brazo about Andrew. He talked about being one of the most searched people on the internet. And it's very controversial. So what's interesting about this channel is that they use this name and face and provide updates to their audience. It's true that he has millions of people who follow him on different platforms. Get to know him and love the content, so the updated videos will add the most value to that audience, so it's easy cash here. This channel literally only does daily tape videos and commentary. They don't show their face. They're making clips and pictures of Andrew, and some guy getting him out of jail or what have you, and they get 13,000 views in 2 hours. Let's go to some of the most popular videos that have 3.5 million, 2 million and more views. As we see on Social Blade, they make about $89,000 a month, but we know that's done a bit because that's a $4 CPM at the high end. We know to say they're safely making around $40,000 a month or over $500,000 a year, which is crazy considering they started this channel in 2020 year and they make over $500,000 a year, which is way more than doctors. Think about is the next time you want to invest in a YouTube automation channel. Imagine 3 years from now, if you get it right, you could be making numbers like this Brink.